How to buy USDT on OKX P2P. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can buy USDT on OKX. So in order to buy Bitcoin on OKX, all you have to do is just make sure to log in into your OKX platform. Then you have to go to the OKX P2P market. Now for some user, the default coin to purchase in OKX P2P market is set to USDT and you will have to change it to Bitcoin. Now you will have to change the payment type to UPI. This will help you to see all the Bitcoin buy offers that supports UPI payments. Then you can select the Bitcoin buy offer listed by many trader on the OKX platform. You can select the buy offer on the bias of the trader competition. Now the Bitcoin buying limit range he or she puts and the price of the Bitcoin. Now once you made up your mind, click on the green colored buy Bitcoin icon located right at the bottom. Now you'll have to enter in the amount. Then the OKX system will automatically show you the amount of Bitcoin that you will be receiving for your payment. Now finally, you need to click on the blue colored buy Bitcoin button and then a confirmation window will appear next. Click on the blue colored continue button. Make sure you click it within the time frame and a new tab will pop up in your browser with the payment related details like the amount that you've paid or the sellers and all that. And now you need to open your Google Pay app on the smartphone and click on the new button as shown below. Now you will be taken to the payment screen where you need to select the payment method. Click on the UPI ID or the QR code button. Now a pop-up will appear on the smartphone screen with asking you to pay either via UPI ID or a QR code scan, and simply tap on the UPI ID and then you have to enter the seller's UPI ID in the Google Pay and all that, and then you've successfully made a purchase. So that is how you can buy USDT on OKX. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.